Once upon a time, a shoe company sent two salesmen to a remote island to determine the market potential for their products. One salesman was sent to the east coast of the island, while the other salesman was sent to the west coast of the island. Both the salesmen completed a basic survey of the target market and called back to the head office. The salesman sent to the east coast of Africa reported, "No one here wears any shoes. There is no market for us here. I'm coming back, and it was a waste coming here." The other salesman sent a message, "No one here wears any shoes. There is a huge market for us. Send inventory fast. I have started looking for an office and a warehouse." Moral: our perspective or mindset influences how we perceive situations and opportunities. The salesman who saw no market had a pessimistic or negative view, while the one who saw huge potential had an optimistic, positive, and opportunity-focused mindset. Our successes or failures depend on our attitude,